It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. This is a beaut, guys. Look at this. We are in Westlake, Texas today. Westlake. So, kind of Fort Worth side. More towards the Fort Worth side over Dallas. And this is a Jimmy Lambert custom home we're about to embark on. This journey is about to be incredible. And as you can see, we are out here in the sticks, y'all. We are out here in the sticks on a few acres of land right here. Just built, brand new construction. And look at that front entrance. Glass door. And that is the office right there, where you can come out and enjoy the weather on a nice day. And let's go inside. We are in. We are so in, y'all. Look at that. That is a statement right there. Power statement. Double staircase, baby. And if you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. This will help Jimmy and his building company for sure, as well as my real estate business, to help inform people about Texas real estate.
Music licensing reimagined.
And thank y'all for tuning in. And right here to the left, we have the office. Built-ins, computer desk with that fireplace. Definitely higher than normal ceilings, that's for sure. And there's that door that we were just looking at. And he added lights on the stairs, which is huge. I love that. A lot of builders won't add those lights. So Jimmy is an excellent builder. He builds all over DFW. He's a certified master builder. And he is a member of the Certified Master Builder Corporation.
Music licensing reimagined.
And he's accredited by the Better Business Bureau. So he's super reputable, awesome company, builds premier custom homes. And look at that wet bar, built-ins, wine fridges. I like that simplicity of the light right there too. It's very, very luxury-like. And we have the open concept kitchen,
Artlist.io,
gas stove, and the covered patio out there. Nice windows for all that natural light. Built-in fridge. And we have your pantry. Look at the size of this, y'all. This is crazy. Absolutely insane how big this is. One of the biggest ones I've ever seen, that's for sure. Could have a field day in there. Holy cow. Lots of cabinet space.
Artlist.io.
Love the flooring too, so modern. That's what a lot of builders are doing these days. Trying to get that whitish feel. And down here we have the downstairs media room. I love it when they put the media room downstairs. It's so much easier when you're entertaining guests and stuff, you know. Good hangout spot for the kids. If you want to have, you know, family movie night, something like that. Or if you have, you know, you're watching our Dallas Cowboys, baby. Shout out. Shout out to Dak Prescott. And let's go over here. Got a half bath. Someone left that toilet seat up. Sorry about that. And another look over here. And right here is the elevator to the left. Not gonna mess with it. So, would rather not. But yeah, goes up, down. They did a fantastic job on that. And your laundry room. with a fridge, or spot that you could put a fridge in there. Double cabinets, huge island. This is a massive laundry room, y'all. Absolutely enormous. For all those laundry connoisseurs out there. And you got a study room.
Artlist
Got a good sized desk, cabinets, very private. I like that little computer room. And then out here we have the porte cochere and breezeway. And we got the 3-car garage over here. And let's go back inside. Here we are. Sorry, I had to lock that back up. And let's go back over here. These lighting fixtures, y'all, that's luxury right there. I love that. They did a good job picking those out. And we have the second staircase over here. And again, the added lights. A lot of builders don't do that, like I was saying. Windows up there for your natural lighting. And we'll come over here. That door right there is to the garage, just so y'all know. It's the mud room. And then this is your guest suite / in-law suite. It has those sliding doors over there. We'll go back there in a second. Full walk-in closet. And a full bath. And this is what I like about Jimmy, guys. When he builds these showers, he doesn't stop at the tile right there. He goes all the way up. Adds those lights too. I love that. He goes all out on this stuff,
Music
guys.
licensing reimagined.
And let's go back in here. And we got the French doors as well. And y'all, Jimmy has over 30 years of professional experience in this field. Superior quality, unique designs, as you can tell. And his customers are super satisfied with his build. If you go look at his reviews, he has fantastic reviews. And this is the master, y'all. This is the master suite. Nice bay windows. And this is the master
Music
bedroom.
licensing reimagined.
Absolutely beautiful. Double vanity. Modern lighting fixtures. Look at that backsplash. That is insane. That is custom to the max. And again, he goes all the way up here. That is wild. I love that. Dual shower heads. And of course the garden tub.
Artlist.io.
And y'all, this has 2 bathrooms, which I'll show you in a sec. There's the little makeup area for the lady. There's her bathroom. And look at this. This is one of the biggest master closets I've seen. Absolutely crazy how much storage there is in this place.
Music licensing reimagined.
Extremely unique. Look at that. They go all the way up to the ceiling. You got a huge island. Love that lighting fixture. And across the hallway over here is his side. So you got another bathroom right there for him, and here is his closet. Still huge for a male, that is for sure. Huge closet. Floor to ceiling cabinets. Love the glass on them. And let's walk over here. We're gonna go back out towards the main area. And this is a little storage area as well. Look at that, that's huge. Put whatever you want in there. That's wild. Love this design, y'all. Look at that. And let's head upstairs. So, look at that. People were cleaning that the other day. They did one by one. They cleaned that whole chandelier one by one. Some dude was up there with a ladder, just polishing those up. So that's another thing. Jimmy's cleaning crew, guys, excellent. Excellent cleaning crew. Takes pride in all that stuff. And up here, this is another, like, I mean, you could do another media room if you want, but it really more of a game room type area with your wet bar. Very modern countertops, the fridge. And I like the green. Color of money, my favorite. Love it. That's beautiful. Love that. Let's go in here. This is a half bath.
Artlist.io.
So a pretty normal half bath. And this is a bedroom up here, y'all. Can honestly be whatever you want, but bedroom, and then I like to call this the I guess with the light that low, you can't really say workout room, but people will put a Peloton up here for sure in this type of area. We'll take a little view of this. That is outstanding. Absolutely custom, love it. But yeah, you'll see, here's the closet over here. Nice walk-in closet. And we have another full bath.
Artlist.io.
So that's why I'm saying a bedroom, but honestly you can use whatever you want it for. And again, he goes all the way up, guys. He doesn't cut corners. True American hero right there. And we'll come over here to another bedroom. Similar full bath.
Artlist.io.
And the shower tub combo. And over here we got the custom walk-in closet again. Way bigger than most. And the bedroom.
Music licensing.
Nice window, you can
reimagined.
open those windows. It's a nice day out. Get some fresh air. And again, the elevator. Not gonna mess with that though, but there it is, works awesome. Shout out to those elevator guys. And we got a huge closet again for storage. So there's a massive amount of storage in this house, y'all. Massive amount.
Artlist.io.
And probably go back down this way. And like I was telling you, there's a ton of windows for natural lighting over here. And let's head down.
Music licensing reimagined.
And y'all, Jimmy just picked up a few lots in the hills of Kingswood and Frisco. So he's trying to, or not trying to, he is dipping his feet in Frisco. So if you're looking to build in that area, Frisco, Prosper, Salina, anywhere over there, definitely hit Jimmy up. He is absolutely fantastic. His products are unmatched over here. So look at this, guys. This is awesome.
Artlist.io.
Oh my god. That's a dream. Outdoor grill, baby. You got a little side yard over here. The HVACs. Fully custom grill. And I want to throw some steaks on there right now. That'd be great. Need to bulk up, y'all.
Music licensing reimagined.
And let's go in this room. This is a little like pool bath. You can see right here. Let me shut the lights on or turn the lights on real quick so y'all can see it. And it's got some storage there. And you got your shower as well. And again, y'all, not cutting corners. He's pulling that tile all the way up there. Yep, just how we like it, baby. Even the ceiling, guys. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? That is insane. Well done, Jimmy. Very awesome.
Music
Let's go back out here.
Reimagined.
And going this way. This is another storage area. Love it. Put all your equipment in there, whatever the heck you want to put in there. There we go. Love those wood ceilings too. Huge covered patio, y'all. And that's pretty much it, y'all. This is on a huge green belt. Love it, y'all. I just want to thank y'all for tuning in for today's property tour in Westlake, Texas. Please be sure to give a thumbs up if y'all like this video, or if you could see yourself living here. I know I could, that's for sure. And we will see y'all on the next one. Peace out.